Guys, as you can see, it's your girl City Queen, aka Gagalistic Gaga. So guys, this is my first video that I will be posting. For those of you that want this selfie stick, I advise you get yours. Yes, most especially you want to create content and you don't have someone near you and you have to do it your own way. So guys, right now I am unboxing it. So make sure you click on my link and order your original selfie stick. Can you say it? So what are you waiting for? Stop playing. Yeah, did you see how nice it is? Did you? So you can just place it like this. Something you can just place it. So, and again, you can still stretch it. Can you see it? Can you see it? Can you see it? Del. Can you see it? Del. Who they check her? Who they check her? What are you waiting for? You have not ordered. Click on my link now. You just get yours. This is the remote. Can you see? This is the remote. Oh my god, it's so nice. You see, when you press it hard and hold it, you see it? Can you see it? Can you see it? Can you see it? What are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? You can always put it back so that you don't lose it. You understand? So when you want to put it back, you fix it like this. Can you see it? So do you know how to use this? That is, if you want to keep it this way, just like I don't know if you can see my bed. So you can see, you can just put your phone this way. You can change into any position you want. Let me show you, for instance. Guys, make sure you drop me a comment on this video, okay? We are going to make it right. So guys, make sure you drop a comment on this video to encourage me to do more. So can you see, if you want to stretch it like this? So it will not fall. Don't be scared. Don't get scared. It's not gonna fall. Can you see it? Can you see it? Even if you want it to stand. Oh my gosh. Can you see? Just you keep it like this. It will just stand. Bagam! It will just stand. With your remote, you can just control it and bam. So guys, what are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? Let me turn off my remote. What are you waiting for? If you want to turn it off, you just press it and you hold it. Once you press it and hold it, it chips off automatically. So guys, I hope you like this video, and if you are looking for the best selfie stick to buy for yourself. I highly recommend this. Yes, I highly recommend it. I love you guys. Bye bye.